Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Monday, September 26th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Lower trade in grains, lower trade in meats as well. Here coming in after a weekend when the rain totals just didn't seem that large over the weekend, so it doesn't look like it'll delay harvest for that much time. Obviously, those areas that got 12 to 14 inches of rain are still struggling to get going, but it does look like the 5-day forecast is warm and dry, so that should help guys get out there by Friday's time frame. And then with the wind being around as well, it really should help out there too. So you're starting to get some progress. You're continuing to hear extremely large yields in soybeans. So through the I-states, through Minnesota, even parts of North Dakota have been getting really high yields as well. There's been talk of 80 bushel beans in Illinois. There's been talk of 70 bushel beans in Iowa, even pulling 60 beans pretty easily here in Minnesota. So those numbers are extremely large, and you're starting to question whether USDA will come in here and adjust that yield higher on the soybeans. Now it's a ways out. You have a couple weeks before, actually probably 3 weeks until they're really going to do that. So you have some time to trade it out and see if you hear some poorer yields to kind of offset that. But for the most part, some big yields. Inspections came in poor once again for soybeans for the second week in a row, though they were very large for both corn and wheat. Wheat led the way lower starting off the day. It just looked like people want to be aggressive sellers there, so it closed anywhere from 7 to 9 cents lower. Beans down 9 cents, corn down 7.5 cents on the day. Meat markets fall through negativity after cattle on feed slightly bearish report. So live cattle down 70 cents, feeders down $1.35, lean hogs slightly lower as well. Outside markets, you had a higher crude market but lower Dow as it struggles to get above 18,000 points, and the dollar was slightly lower as well. Moving forward, what you're going to be watching is Friday we do have the quarterly stocks report from USDA. Now this is kind of a big deal because it's the last quarterly stocks for your marketing year, so this number that we get out of quarterly stocks will solidify the old crop carryout number, and that old crop carry number comes through and then brings into the carry in number for our new crop. So we will get that information. It's a solid number. There's no adjusting it. We actually know what it is coming out of this report. So there could be some surprises coming into it. That's all the way until Friday. And then also what you're going to be doing is just going off yield reports once again for trade until we get to Friday. I do have to close with the disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.